Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can use the split screen option in Windows 11. So for that you must know that this thing will only work in Microsoft programs only, like all the applications of Microsoft, for example File Explorer or settings, etc. So all you have to do is, if you are in a Microsoft program, just click on that, and here in this middle section you will have to like hover your mouse. So if you like keep your mouse for 1 second maybe, you will find all these uh, split screen option. So you can easily just click on the location you want your uh, program to be. Just click on that and the screen will go there, and you can select another program from here as well. So I'm gonna like select this PC, and this PC will be now in here. Also you can like drag here. uh, oh sorry, my bad, you cannot drag, but uh, you just have to simply click. So if you click, it will like choose the location. So that's how you can basically change the split screen, uh, use the split screen option in Windows 11. So beware that there are multiple options here, uh, like first one is you can select a program on left and right, and second one is like one program uh, will have more space, and the second one another will have less space. You can also select three program in one screen, and finally the fourth program in one screen. So this is how you can use the split screen option in Windows 11. And if you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe. And also thank you very much for watching this video.